I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
What's going on, man?
What's up, buddy?
Man, you got it ready this time.
Oh yeah, we got it ready this time. We're playing this time.
Yeah, so what you done switched out since last time?
We got two DS18 high excursion 12s. What are they? They're a step down below the hooligans.
The hooligan.
Yeah. They're a very responsive sub. I love them. Got them on the Taramps Space AK wired to ohm at 1 ohm. The box rise, I think, is around 4. Getting about 5200 watts out the amp, so it does all right. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's do it. I got a 96 amp hour Headway.
Okay.
On a 270 Autotech alternator.
Oh, are you able to find one for this truck, alternator?
Yeah.
You know, the custom build.
Well, no, it was he had to recase the one I had, but yeah.
They made it work then.
Oh yeah, and it fit up there just fine. Autotech engineering will get you right.
Yeah, I know. I noticed. I said, all them hard to find one. They'll make it. They'll make it work. Can I see the back of it?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.